Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of MetaMask not showing your tokens. Sometimes you send crypto to your wallet, but the balance doesn't appear. Don't worry, your tokens are usually still there, they just aren't being displayed. The first step is to check the Blockchain Explorer. Copy your MetaMask wallet address and paste it into Etherscan or the Explorer of the network you're using. If your tokens show up there, it means they're safe, and the problem is only with MetaMask's display. Next, go back to MetaMask and try refreshing the app or logging out and back in. If that doesn't work, you may need to manually add the token. To do this, click Import Tokens, then paste the token contract address, which you can find on a reliable source like CoinGecko or the project's official website. Once added, your token balance should appear instantly. Also, make sure your MetaMask is connected to the correct network. For example, if you sent tokens on Binance Smart Chain, but MetaMask is on Ethereum, you won't see them until you switch networks. By checking the Explorer, refreshing, adding tokens manually, and ensuring the right network, you'll fix MetaMask not showing tokens and regain full visibility of your assets. Subscribe the channel for more videos.